Welcome back now at 9:47. When you were a kid, you may have dreamed of having your own hovercraft. I know I did. Now STEM NOLA is making that dream come true, albeit a little bit smaller than maybe you were hoping for. Sergio Silva and Aubrey Williams, a 10th grader at Metairie Park Country Day, join us now to help us make some hovercrafts. How we doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, good to see y'all. All right, so these are, like we said, a small scale hovercraft, but the principle is the same as if we wanted to build something big, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, so what are we doing? How do we make this?
So first we're gonna have our CD.
A CD, okay.
Decorations.
Gotta have that.
Bottle cap, balloon, glue, tape, and scissors.
Okay,
Be careful.
Cool. And the bottle cap are like these sports caps that you can find on a lot of different water bottles and whatnot.
So first what you wanna do, you're gonna tape or glue your decoration on. We already have that done here.
Okay.
Then you're gonna unmask your bottle.
All right.
And you're gonna take your handy dandy balloon and twist it up. Like
okay.
that.
So, do we blow it up first?
Yeah. Yes, blow it up. Also what you wanna do is you're gonna wanna tape your bottle cap down too, after you do that.
Okay, so you've got like a hole, I'm seeing here.
Yeah, you got this whole contraption here.
So there's a hole in where the CD hole is. Mm-hmm. You kind of tape that, let's see where we at. You tape that bottle cap onto the hole. And like you said, take the cap off so that you have some airway in there.
Yes. And you're going to tape this down real good.
Seal it, right?
Seal airtight.
All right.
You don't want any gaps so the air can escape. So blow your balloon and tape it down.
All right. I got a lot of air in there. It's hot air, trust me. All right. So thankfully, you've already done mine.
Yes, we have already done
mess
this.
it up.
No, you wouldn't. Now, once you have your balloon, and you twist it at the top.
The twisting helps, right?
Yes, keep the air in. You want air.
Okay.
You're going to stretch it over the bottle cap.
Okay.
Like that.
Oh. Oh no.
Do you need some more tape?
Yes. All right, here we go. I untaped my bottle cap.
Oh,
sabotaging myself.
So once you have it like this, you are going to open the bottle cap. Make sure you have space. And let it go.
Oh, nice.
How about you guys give it a try?
Okay, I see you. All right, we're hovering. I like that. So what's
mine's not hovering.
Tell me what I did wrong.
Now maybe because you have gaps in your bottle cap,
so make
the
sure,
air escapes.
Yeah, take a lot of time to make sure that
you
that's
want this
there.
really secure.
So what's happening when we do this?
So when this happens, the air from the balloon goes out the bottle cap and goes between the table and the CD, which kind of creates a cushion for it to kind of sit kind of on top of.
Okay.
Now that reduces the friction. Friction is like a force when you rub your hands together, you feel that heat, that's from friction. Since there's less friction, it can just glide across the table just like that.
All right.
No.
Let's see if I did it.
Let's see, big reveal.
I know. I'm the late one. Late to class. Late to making hovercraft.
Now open the bottle cap.
Oh yeah.
You can play hair hockey.
Nice. All right. I love it. That's
like
cool. Okay. So, and these are principles that you like.
Yes.
That already people are using in like everyday life to create real, actual hovercrafts or other types of scientific things, right?
Even air hockey. This is basically air hockey.
Look at that. This is super cool. All right.
Yes.
So, you know, your involvement in STEM, what has it been like for you? I mean, it's not just making hovercrafts, right?
No. I started when I was 5 years old. We made boats, planes, levees, all this type of stuff. And recently I joined the STEM Fellows, and we went to this Women in STEM convention. I got to see people like me in like various different STEM careers. That's awesome. Which is really cool.
All right, so you still got a couple more years, but we're going to see you in those careers soon enough. And before we got to let you go quickly though. But if folks want to join STEM,
if you want to join us, we actually have a Friction Day coming up this Saturday at the Sanchez Center, starting at 9 a.m. You can also find it at stemnola.com or on social media.
I love it, and you guys will build much better hovercrafts than I did. This is great. Thanks so much for coming in. Appreciate y'all.
Thank you.